In this video, we are going to learn two short tricks to find out the cubes of any number between 1 to 100. So, for that trick, you have to just learn the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. So please see the video till the end of the video, because once you will be able to understand the first trick, then you will be able to understand the second trick, which is the simplified version of the first trick. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nena and I make videos related to short tricks of the mathematics.
Let us start our today's topic, which is how to find out cubes of the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so you know very well the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. So you can easily remember the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. So we will start with how to find out the cubes of the numbers from 11 to 99. Okay, so let us start our today's first trick, then we will move on to our second trick. Okay, so to find out the cube of this number by using the first trick, what we have to do, we'll divide our answer in the four parts, and the first part will have the cube of the first number, and the fourth part will have the cube of the second number. So 3 cube is what? 3 cube is my 27. And second part will have what? Second part will have the square of the first digit multiplied by the second digit. Means 2 square will be 4, 4 3 is the 12. And the third part will have, this third part will have what? This third part will now have the square of my second digit and is multiplied by my first digit. So I will be having 3 3 is the 9. 9 into 2 is what? 9 into 2 is my 18. Okay, so now what I have to do, this was my step number 1, right? So my step number 2 is what? Step number 2 is that I will do double of this number. 12 will be, double of 12 will be 24, and double of 18 will be 36, right? So now do addition. Addition is how you will do addition. 27 and 18 plus 36 is what? 18 plus 36 is 54. 12 plus 24 is what? 12 plus 24 is 36 and 8. Okay, so now you know very well that in my earlier videos also I have told you that you cannot have two digits at a single place. So what we do, we will take out our unit digit only, and this 2 will go there and it will be added. So 4 plus 2 will become 6. Now this 5 will be my carry. So if I will add 5, so it will become 36 plus 5 will become 41. So 4 will be my carry here, and 8 plus 4 will be my 12. Okay, so this is going to be 1 2 1 6 and 7. Okay, so this is nothing, this is what? This is the expansion of the formula. A plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus b plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so let us take our second example. Second example is what? 45 cube is equal to this. Now let us first solve this example with the first trick, and then we will move on to our second trick. So first trick says what? That divide your answer in 4 parts, and the first part will be cube of the first number, and the last part will be the cube of the second number. So 4 cube is what? 4 cube is, you know, 4 cube is 64, and 5 cube is what? 5 cube is my 125. And the second part is what? Second part is square of this number and is multiplied by 5. And this third part will be what? Third part will be my square of second number and is multiplied by my first number. So 4 4 is the 16. 16 into 5 is what? 16 into 5 is 80, and this will be 5 square is 25. 25 into 4 will give me 100. So my step number 1 is done. Okay, so moving to step number 2. Step number 2 says what? Step number 2 says simply double the two values. 80, double of 80 will be 160, and double of 100 will be 200. So I will be left with 125. 100 plus 200 will give me 300, and 80 plus 160 will give me 240, and this will be my 64. Okay, so now in the final answer, in the step number 3, what I have to do, I have to take only this unit digit here 5, and 300 plus 12, it will become 312. So 2 will be here, and 31 will be my carry. So it will become 0 plus 1 will become 1, and 24 plus 3 will become what? It will become 27. So 27 will be my carry for this place, and it will give me my final answer. 7 4 plus is 11, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So you can see that I have already written the answers, that the cube of this number is going to be 91125. Okay, so moving to trick number 2. So trick number 2 is the simplified version of my trick number 1. So what I have to do, I have to divide my answer again in 4 parts. So first part will give me the same cube of the first number, and this fourth part will be what? This fourth part will be the cube of the second number. So cube of the first number is what? It is 64, and cube of this will give me what? It will give me 125. So now for second and third part, what I will do, I will multiply these three numbers. 4 5s the 20, 20 into 3 will give me 60. What I am doing, I am multiplying 4 5s the 20 with this power 3. So I will get what? I will get 60. 4 5s the 20, 20 into 3 will give me 60. So whatever number I will get, once I have to multiply it with my first digit, and then I have to multiply it with my second digit. So 60 into 4 will give me what? It will give me 240, and 60 into 5 will give me what? It will give me directly 300. So see, this is the simplified version of my first trick. Okay, so now again the same, step number 2 is again the same. What it is, that you have to write down only the last digit 5, and you will do addition 12 here, so it will become 312. 2 will be written here, and then 31 will be carry, so it will be 1, and then 64 plus 27 will give me what? It will give me 91. Okay, so whatever trick you find that it is easy for you, you can use any trick, right? So let's take one last question. Last question is 98 cube. We have to find out the cube of the 98. So 98 cube will be, trick number 1 says what? Divide your answer in 4 parts. Cube of 9. Cube of 9 is what? Cube of 9 is 729, and the last will be the cube of 8, which is 512. Then for the second part, what you will do, you will do square of first number and multiply it by 8, and here you will do square of your second digit and multiply it with by 9. It will give me what? It will give me 9 square is 81. 81 into 8 is what? 81 into it is 648. Now 8 8's the 64. 64 into 9 is what? It is 576. Okay, now do the double of this value. It will give you 1296, and it will give you what? 1152. So once you will do addition, then you will take only 2 here, and 51 will be carry. So what you will get? 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, then 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, carry 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and last is 177 will be my carry. So next I will do addition. 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 1, and 9. So after doing this addition, you will get your answer as 941192. Okay. So see the second trick. Second trick is that again you have to divide your answer in the 4 parts, and the first part will be the cube of the first digit, and last. And for this and this part, what I will do, I will simply multiply these three numbers. 9 8s the 72, and 72 into 3 will give me what? 72 into 3 will give me 216. Okay. So now what I will do, I will multiply once 216 by 9, and then I will multiply 216 by 8. So what I will get, 729 and 512 will be here. I will get these two values, 1944 and 1728. So now if I will write down only the last digit, then 2 will be here and 51 will be my carry. So I will be left with 8 plus 1 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 and 1. Try to write down directly the remaining parts here, because it is going to be your carry. So what it will be, 7 plus 4 is 11, carry is 1, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11. So you will be left with 1 plus 1 as 2. So your final answer will be what? Final answer will be 9 plus 2 11, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 and 7 plus 2 will be 9. Okay, so that's why I was saying that second trick is simplified version of the first trick, because you can see that in the first trick we have to do lot of multiplication, but in the second trick we have to do simple multiplication. The multiplication was a little bit simple as compared to the first trick.
If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to understand that how to find out the cube of the 3-digit number. Till then, take care and bye bye.